So are you ready? Get set, go!
We're diving into the coolest summer activities with water where fun never stops.
Wow, it's so clean! There's one here. I'm on electric. So, put it in here. In that hole, you need to put it in, then like this. Let's do like this until it gets all done. Now it gets tight. So, we need corn flour, water, 1 tablespoon, food coloring, paintbrushes, and a muffin tray. That's what we need to start our chopping. So let's get started. First, we need 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water in each muffin pan. 1, 2, this one. 1 and 2. We're done! Now do you want to mix up? I'm gonna do this one. This one. 1. Who's gonna mix all the color he did, and you're gonna mix all the you did. So are you ready? Get set, go! We got pink, we got purple, we got teal, we got blue, and orange. Now painting time! I want to make a heart. I want to make a sunset. Sunset? Yeah. Now ready, drive for 15.